Hey guys, welcome to the stream. So I called out this trade just right before, like the moment the stream started. That's why I called out this trade, and we're really in profit. It was off the 15 minutes, and you can see the trade is moving. It's giving us what it needs to give us. So we're approaching 30 pip in profit. So I'm going to send this out and let them know what's going on. So we're in 30 pip in profit now. 30 pip. So I'm going to send it out to guys, sending them out 30 pips in profit, guys. So I'm going to close some position because I don't know what to expect in this trade. You get, I don't know what to expect. I don't know if the price is going to be that's actually going to 1 to 1 now on my chart on my screen. I'm actually on 40 pip. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm actually at 40 pip in profit right now. So I'm going to close some position because I don't know what to expect. I don't know how far this pair is going to move or anything like that. So I'm going to just play safe and close some positions. So I'm going to close like 0.08 and I'm using 0.10, so I'm going to leave 0.02 on the trade and see how that goes. So I'm going to send this out to my runners. So send out to the group. So I'm going to send out to the group now. This is it. So that is guys. So another day to secure a nice profit on gold. Like I'm basically at this point almost literally done for today. I've already had a decent pop trade on gold, and it's actually a profitable one. You get, I can decide that I'm don't want to trade today anymore, but it is what it is. It is what it is. So I'm going to move this now. Just move this. It's already a break even, so I'll move it to the low, and let's see how that goes. So that's what we're doing now. That's what we're doing now. So we're waiting and seeing how this plays out. Then at the end of the day, I will break down the trade. So let me use another. I have like another gold here. Let me use this to break down gold analysis, so I can just tell you guys what I think and what's going on. So apparently, yeah, there's nothing I can tell you guys that this is what I think or what I do not think, because price, first of all, price is like way overbought. You can see these like 4-time highs that I'm buying off of, and price is just still pushing to the upside. So what I can do for now is that, or what I can tell you that is going to happen right now is that price has to give us some level of retracement. I have to see like price retracing a bit for me to look for opportunities to go long. Do you understand? So that's the only thing I can use to place a trade on this pair. But for now, there's nothing going on. So we are currently we're still pushing. We're still pushing. We're still pushing. We're still pushing, guys. We're still pushing, guys. So nothing to do here. You just wait. Hopefully, most of you guys caught the trade. Hopefully, most of you guys caught the trade. So that's the only thing I can say. So we're approaching 50 pip now. So that's, I just have my runners running. So let's see if we can actually. The volume is low, like the volume is low. So let's see if we can actually, because I was able to get like a something pip stop loss. So let's see if we can actually get this trade to what is it called, 50 pip or 100 pip. Besides, let's see if my runners can get to 100 pip. Hope you guys caught the trade, guys. Hope you guys caught the trade, because that's it. Hope you guys caught the trade. Let's see how we can make money from this one. So there's one thing I also want to tell you guys. So if you're on live with me and probably I sent out a trade and you see my entry, why I put my entry out, like this is where my entry is. Most of the time I use break of a high. So what you should usually do is that it might not be the same for your broker. Like where I'm putting my buy stop might not be the same for your broker, because even when I send out trade, I most times I don't use the exact entry I use. I go to my broker and check where is my candle. Like if you once the candle flip, where's the high of it? Like where's the high? This point. Do you understand? I check it. I don't put it in just I don't put it at the level to be said. I just give it like a little bit of space, like small space. Then I place my buy stop, or even in a sell position, I place my sell stop in order for the trade to move. So that's what I usually do. You get that's what I usually do. So that's the same thing you guys should do anytime I'm sending out a trade. You just go over it back again and check where is the exact level that it is, so you guys can check. So what we just got to 50 pip in profits. My runners just got to 50 pip. So my runners is giving me like $10 actually. So it's small, but it's something, man. You can buy me a meal. You can buy me 2 meals actually. So it's still pushing 50 pip in profit, guys. 50 pip in profit. So let's see if the runners can get to 100. So let's see. So they said there's a saying that there's something I read somewhere and I was looking at it. It said anytime price breaks gold breaks a new high, always counts $50, like $5 move. So it had already moved $5 move. So you might likely see a retracement from this exact spot that it is. So I'll be looking to probably close off my runners soon or later. You get I'm looking to close it off because it's already moved the $5 move. To say. So let's see if it should move. So what I will do now, I will trailing my stop loss. I will not leave it as break even. I'll move it to profit a bit. That's what I'm going to do. So although let's just wait for the 1 hour candle to close. So my runners is I can't lose, like I have to secure some of the profit in my runners. So maybe let's do that. Let's just lose half. I will just be just this one. You to go and do something. So I secured part of my runners profit. So what we'll do now, we'll see how this particular candle now moves. Let's say at the meaning then I move no need to move in profit because I already secure something. So let's see how this let's see how the next candle pushes this candle. You understand? So we still here, we might likely get a trade, but I need a retracement. Let me see what I can do. I need price to create a resistance level here. I need a retracement, and from there I can look for something. You get. But for now, there's nothing going on. Like I need price to create a resistance for me. Then from there I can look for opportunity to either buy or sell. But for now, there's nothing going on. That's it. This is London section now, so you can see the volume of the price. You can see price is actually pushing it downward. So let me take off this because I'll bring it back when. Okay, let me bring it back. Let me just hide it. Let me hide this and let's actually break down the trade because I don't think I've done that. Let's actually break down the trade. So now let's clear off everything. You can see the setup, very clean setup, like very clean setup. Now let's do some analysis. Let's do some clean analysis. Let me bring out my tools I need and we break down this trade and hopefully we can get. For me, I think I'm done, but hopefully I can get a good trade for you guys to probably look for something else going on in the market. You guys. For me, I'm done. I made that mistake yesterday. I made that internal trade I was supposed to enter. So, but today I'm done. But I was seeing profit overall for the day, and I'm seeing profit overall for the week. So I'm trading like a small account, and we basically up. I think I'll send it to the group so you guys will see it. So we're basically up, just trading small, keeping it clean, keeping it simple. We're basically up about $120 on the small account. So that's it. So my runners has got stopped at BE. My runner got stopped at BE right now. So I just see observing the trade, observing what's going on. I see a lot of baby girl. So we're just observing and seeing what is currently going on the charts. You get, so that was seeing what's going on. So let's break down the trade. Let's break down everything. Let's see. Let's analyze it. Let's see if we can get any other opportunity on this chart so we can know exactly what we're going to do. So for now, let's me bring out my tools. From there we can take over. I see the love. I see the love. Thank you so much. Thanks so much. So let me bring out my tools. So let's 1 second, guys. Let me bring out my tools so we can comment from there. You can see price is rejecting. I think it stopped me out though. This thing actually stopped me out. My runners got stopped out. Did it? It did not. Damn, it came too close. It came very close. But I didn't get stopped out. That's nice. Let's see if we're going to push. It came very close. So my entry on the broker I used was different from this one. So the entry was a bit higher than this. So I got a different entry. Anyways, let's do something. We're just here. Let's do something. Let's look for a good trade for us. 1 second, guys. So now let's get in tune. So looking at the trade, first of all, like I said, price is first of all like all-time highs. Looking from the daily time frame, price has broken, like it's just moving bullish. You can see the drive, you can see how crazy the candle is. Price is just moving, doing its own thing. Do you get? Price is just doing its own thing. So how can we actually place a trade here? How can we look for opportunities when price is currently on its all-time high? Like it's basically just moving upwards. So how can we place a trade here? So first of all, we need to identify that there's nothing we can do. Price is just driving. Either we have FOMO and we just want to jump in and just force a trade that is not there, or we actually look for opportunities and actually place a trade based on what we're looking for. Hold on, guys. I need to reply a message. Hold on, guys. Okay. So how can we probably place a trade and look for the best possible setup we can do? So first of all, we'll jump down to the 1 hour time frame and let's see what the 1 hour is doing now. So 1 hour, because there's nothing in 4 hours, it's just a bullish candle was saying. So 1 hour we have a low here, we also have a high here that price has broken. You can see this candle now is trying to flip bullish, but I don't want it to flip bullish. You understand? I have a runner, yes, you make me money, but I don't want to flip bullish. For me to enter a good setup in this trade, I need the 15 minutes candle to close big bear the way it is now. This is how I want it to close. Do you understand? I want to close the way it is. Then from there I can look for opportunities to actually make money from this trade. But for now, there's nothing I can do. I have to actually wait for this trade. So we have about 8 more minutes for this candle to close. If you flip bullish and break this high, I'm not interested in it because first of all, it has retraced over 60 pip, and from the break of the high to this low is already 60 pips. So I can't have a 63 pip stop loss because I want to place a trade. So I need this candle to end big bull, and the next candle, once it's breaking it high like this, then I look to place a trade, then look for a much tighter stop position for the trade to actually keep pushing to the upside for us to make money. So that's what I want price to do. But I cannot do anything right now. I have to actually wait because I also need this place to be serve as a resistance level for me. But if it doesn't and you keep moving, there's nothing I can do. I actually have to wait for price to create levels because this is basically the all-time high and there's nothing I can do about it but to wait. Do you understand? So if you don't get that, if you don't get price closing the way we want it to close, giving us what we want, then there's no point. So this is exactly what I'm talking about, what I want price to do. Like there's no point. You just sit down here and relax. Do you understand? And besides, I'm already up for the day already, and I'm up for the week too. So there's no point for me forcing anything that's not there. So this is what I want price to do. Closing like this, and the next candle to wick down a bit, create like a bottom wick, give a rejection, and at the break of the high, then we can look to buy some positions. Like just look to buy the trade from the break of the high because I actually need a resistance level to be created around this level. I actually need a resistance level to be created. But we just have to wait and see how the candle close for us to consider jumping into the trade and making some money. But if we don't get that, then there's no point looking for any trade in the first place. There's no point at all. So we just have to wait. So you can see it's trying to break its high now. So once it breaks its high, the trade can obviously move. So we have like 6 more minutes to the end of this candle. So let's see if the market wants to be favorable to us or it wants to do its own thing. So that's the only thing I can say right now. So let's just wait for 6 minutes, and 6 minutes we will know our fate. So while we're waiting for 6 minutes, let's also look at GG again, just for looking sake, because I can't just be sitting here and looking at a chart that's not ready to move. So this is DJ, the 15 minutes. So let me clear up everything first of all, and let's see what we got going on. Let's see what we got going on. So first thing first, I'm going to take out my let's go to the daily time frame. Take out all my levels that I have there and look at the daily. So on the daily, I spoke about it yesterday that I'm expecting probably GJ to come down and fill up some weak this market gap that I gave us previously. Like now I feel like probably GJ should come to fill up this market gap that I gave us. You understand? But I don't think so because this gap is a lot. This gap, I think if I measure this gap, I think is around 25 pips. So something has to happen in the market in order for price to just move. You get me? So let's jump down to the 4 hours time frame. Let's start marking our lows, our highs, because that's what we trade. We trade based on levels, and after price break those levels, we look for opportunity. So this is the current support level I see on the 4 hours, which is most likely going to change on the 1 hour time frame. So if I drop down to the 1 hour, I can see that this level it holds here, but after price break this low, there are other levels here. So let me adjust the level to a more suitable place. So if I drop down to the 30 minutes time frame, I can see this 30 minutes wood. I will just put this as a support level because we might most likely see a buying pressure from this level. Price can come here, retest this level, and start pushing upward. So if I'm to look for buys right now, if I measure this high to this low, it is 20 pips. So if you get a break of structure above this level, yeah, like a candle, bullish candle closing above this level, you can anticipate buys. So if you get a bullish candle closing above this level, you can look for a retest, then you can look for price to push up to the upside of this week. And if you get another closure above here, you can also look for a retest again or price to continue pushing upwards. So this is something that can actually happen on this pair. So this is what I'm anticipating. So let's just hold on and see how that goes. Do you get me? Let's hold on and see how that goes. So for now, we have about 4 more minutes to the end of the candle. So let's go back to gold. Then for sales, let me talk about sales. Let me also talk about sales. So for selling opportunity, what do I want to see for sales? I need price to actually break this low because I cannot buy right at this resistance, all this support level. I cannot look to sell below that level. So I actually need price to break above. You get me? So that's what I think I should do. So let's just wait. Let's go back to gold and let's wait for something better. Okay, gold is actually breaking the highs. It's not closing the way I want it to close. So I don't think I'll be interested in this trade unless unless you guys want to use the 5 minutes, and 5 minutes is doing its own thing. So anyways, my runners is still giving me money, so I have a trade running right now from gold. It's still giving me some profit, so that's all that matters to me right now. So that's it, guys. So we're waiting. At this point, I don't think we can price closing the way one wants to close, but let's see. Let's see. And again, I've already gotten my win for today, so I'm just here to see if anything else happened on the chart, so I can look to so we can see what we can do. You get. But I've already gotten a decent opportunities, a different price. I made a nice profit of gold, which I actually sent out the trade to the community, and if you guys traded it, most of you guys should be in profit. So I can see the gold is actually rejecting that level, so which is good. So let's see, we have about 1 minute 50 seconds left. Let's see how it closes. If it closes the way I like it, then we can most likely look for opportunities. Okay, there's a rejection there, which is good. So what will happen is, here that two things that will happen. I might not look to buy price from this top anymore, because price has actually created a high and is rejecting the high. So depends on how this new candle forms. Let's see how it closes first of all. Depends on how this candle closes as well. So if the candle close way down, okay, I don't think, don't worry, never mind. Let us wait. Let's see how it closes first of all. So price has closed. So I'm not doing anything. I'm just still waiting, guys. I'm still waiting. But based on the 5 minute structure and rejection, and based on the fact that gold is currently on a all-time high, if price breaks above this level, there's a very strong tendency it will move up. That's what I'm talking about. I'm looking at the 5 minutes now with volume and everything. So there's a very strong tendency that price will actually drive up if it breaks above this high. You guys, there's very strong tendency. So I think I'm actually going to place a buy stop above this place now. So at the first 1 minute gone, yeah, I'm placing a buy stop above this place. I'm placing a buy stop. I'm actually placing a buy stop, guys. I'm placing a buy stop. So you can place a buy stop if you know your candle high. I'm placing a buy stop. I feel like this trade is going to push. Actually, it's going to actually push if it breaks its high. Because now it was no bottom wick. This candle has no bottom top wick. This candle has done the rejection, showing that sellers are pushing the price downwards right now on the 5 minutes. So if this candle now breaks this high, it has no business coming down because it has responded to this, and also this candle never closed below the structure on the 5 minutes. So I feel at this point, just the whole volume going on in the market, if this candle breaks above this high here, I expect it to keep driving to the upside. So that's what I expect price to do. So I'm going to send out this trade. I'm going to send out this trade. But before I send it out, if you have your phone, your devices or laptop anything using to place a trade, you can quickly place it, because sometimes by the time I'm sending out marking out trade, price can basically just do its own move. You get me? Price can only do its own move. So that's how some of you guys miss some of the trades sometimes. That's some of you guys miss the trade sometimes. So I'll put my stop. I'll adjust my stop actually. I'll give it a little bit of room. I'll put it at 32 pip. So I'll start managing the trades from, if it breaks the high and it start coming back down. That's what I'll do to start managing my trades. But like I said, he has no business coming down if it breaks the high. So let's see. So we're all set, guys. We're all set. Let's see how this. Let's see if you have 2 for 2. We already gotten one win on stream today. But let's see if we get 2 for 2. Yesterday was 1 for 1. So let's see if we get 2 for 2 today. That'll be good. That'll be actually very good for us. So how am I managing the trade? If this market starts 5 minutes closing, which is very good. I like the way 5 minutes closing. This bullish structure, I like the way 5 minutes closing. So if we 5 minutes, this next 5 minutes activate us and start breaking below, start managing our trades. Once you just break below its own count, we're going to manage trade. We're going to close some position. If you have 2 position running, you close 2. If you have you close half of it. Do you understand? That's how we're going to manage the trade. But if this trade push up, he has no business coming back down to his own candle low. So let's look at that in 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes is good too. 15 minutes is good. Low closure. So this candle close. Yeah, this trade is gonna move, guys. I like the way the 5 minutes about to close. So if this 5 minutes candle break its own low without getting us triggered, what we're going to happen is that we're just going to delete the buy stop and we just wait. You get. Alright, guys, delete your buy stop. Delete buy stop. Delete buy stop, guys. Delete buy stop. Yeah. Precision is very important in trading. Very important. You can see this is the reason why I use buy stop a lot and sell stop, because the level I put my stop is why I expect price to trigger and not come down. You get. So precision is very, very important. But anyways, I think the levels would likely see hold. Okay, wait, what will happen is that I just need price to create a resistance for us. A 15-minute resistance won't be bad. I just need price to create a resistance for us. It's very important. Like resistance level is very important for us. And on the 30 minutes, this should be like a rejection the way I was talking about, which is going to be good. So I actually need price to just create some kind of resistance for us and it should be good. But at the same time, this candle can still decide to run back up and start pushing upwards. You get me? This is something that candle can do. So let's be seeing, guys. Let's be seeing. At the same time, I also don't want us to enter any silly trades. So you get me. I also don't want to enter any silly trades. Like me, I've already made some money for today. This trade I'm entering, I'm just reducing, dropping down my loss size because I've made some money. So I think we should add the buy stop. If it's 5 minutes left for the candle, we close it. We add the buy stop, guys. We add the buy stop. So that the same order. If it's 5 minutes left for the candle to close, we're going to I'm not going to activate it. We delete it. So we just re-add it. Okay, guys, we're about to get trigger, guys. We're about to get trigger. I think we're about to get trigger on this trade. We're about to get trigger on this trade, guys. This trade is looking like it's going to give us some profit. Let's see. We're about to get trigger. I like the fact that this particular candle has come down to do a proper retest. So if it flips bullish now, I feel like it should move, and it has no business coming back to this level where I put the stop loss. So let's see. Let's see how it close. Let's say 5 minutes close. Then let's see how it all happen.
Want to spice up your listening?
You get.
Smart Shuffle can weave in song recommendations for your playlist when you join Spotify Premium, or start a jam where you can.
Let's see, guys.
Create and add to.
Seems like we're gonna get trigger soon. We're gonna make money as well. So let's see. And mind you, remember I still have like a trade running on this trade. I still have a trade running, so hopefully I'm waiting for that trade to get to like 100 people before I close it. My runners. Today is just Wednesday. Alright guys. Alright guys. We're still in it. I think we're about to get triggered right now. I think we're about to get triggered. Not yet, but we're very close to getting triggered. If you trade triggered you, just let me know because I'm not in on the trade yet. So I don't think anybody else should be in on the trade. So if you get triggered, just let me know that trade got you triggered or something because I'm not in. I'm still holding on and waiting for the trade to see what the trade does. So I think at this point, what we're going to do, the best thing for us to do right now is to wait for the 30 minutes. You get? Wait for the 30 minutes. You get? I think that's the best thing for us to do. Because we are left with 5 more minutes. And I know in the next 5 minutes, price can actually trigger those and give us a lot of profit. You understand? One thing is telling me to just leave it on there. Another thing is just telling me that to just close it. But I feel like I should wait. Let me look at it again. Let me look at the 30 minutes. Hold on, guys. Let me look at the 15 minutes. Let me see properly. Let's leave it on, guys. Let's leave it on. Let's leave it on. Let's leave our order on. Let's leave our other on. Let's leave the other on. I smell something cooking in gold. Because even though we get triggered, we have a safe spot as a stop loss, which is this low here. You get me? I have a safe spot, and I feel like the price is going to end like this. I like the way it's looking like it wants to close like a bullish. So let's leave our stop loss. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. So it's going to be a quick move. So you need to be active. So if you want to close at 10, you want to close at 20, anything you want to know, you want to close, just do all you need to do. You get me? Because it's going to be a quick move. So if you have made profit already for today, I would advise you again, just reduce your risks. You understand? But if you're okay with this, just let it be. You understand? We don't want but it's going to go where, Sha. If once you just flip bullish, we're basically trading off the sky. We're trading the sky, the moon. We're riding good to the moon. So if we actually trigger us, I feel like it's going to move. One more minute, guys. 1 more minute to the end of the candle. 1 more minute. So let me just remove the 15. 5 minutes. Let me just leave it as a 15 minutes. Yeah, this is better. This is better, guys. Perfect, perfect. I like the way the candle is projecting. I like the fact that I've created a resistance level right now. And I like the fact that also it's also responding to the same level on the 30 minutes, which is good. So I'm definitely leaving my levels here. Like my buy stop above this level, I'm leaving it. So if price pushes up now and you get trigger in, I'm fully in support of it. Just close bearish. Can you not close bearish? This trade is very funny. I got first close bearish. So it has closed. The price has closed 30 minutes. Okay, everything is good. So if this kind of now flip bullish and start pushing upward, we might adjust our stop loss, have a tighter stop. Or yeah, we might have a tighter stop. So let's see. Like the volume is dying off. Leave our entries, guys. Same entries, guys. We're still maintaining the same entries. I think we active. Yes, guys, we're active. The trade is active now. Trade is active, guys. Trade is active. Trade is active, guys. So like I said, it's going to be fast. So look to close where you want to close. If it's 10 pip, anything you want to close, look to close on time. You get. We should all be in profit now, guys. Don't happen. Don't happen. Let's move our. If this candle flip bearish and break his own low, I would not like to be in this trade. So let's adjust our stop loss a little bit to this low here. So we have going to shift our stop loss to 19 pip stop. You get. So we're moving our stop loss, guys. Because price has broken above this high, so I feel like if you want to drive, you should just keep driving upwards. So move your stop loss to 19 pip. I didn't get stopped out though. I got very close, but I didn't get stopped out. Hopefully you guys didn't get stopped out. I got very close to stopping out, but I wasn't stopped out, guys. I got very close to being stopped out, but I didn't get stopped out. Very, 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 very close, guys. That was crazy. That was crazily close. That was crazily close, man. That was really, 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 really close. That was really, 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 really. I was just looking at it. Really close. So let's see if we're going to survive. Let's see if we're going to survive this. Let's see if we're going to survive this. Let's see if we're going to survive this. I'm 5 minute close. Let's say 5 minute close. 5 minute close. Oh, rejection. Damn. Let's see if we survive this, guys. Hope you guys didn't get stopped out. Hope you guys nobody got stopped out. Hope nobody got stopped out, guys. Hope nobody got stopped out, guys. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. We're approaching 10 pips now. We're approaching 10 pips. I think we got 10 pips actually. I think we got 10 pips. I think we got 10 pips. that was close. We went from almost losing the account, we went from almost losing the trade, guys. Almost, like we're literally very, very close to it. Like we're literally very close to taking, like this trade was literally close to taking us out. When we're in 30 pip profit, guys. This trade is banging. This trade is moving, guys. This trade is moving, guys. This trade is moving. 41 pip. I thought it's going to be a fast one when he wants to move. 41 pip in profit. Crazy, crazy. Doubles on the chart, guys. Doubles on the chart. Doubles on the chart. Doubles on the chart. Like I close up in, I couldn't even, when I didn't put 40 pip, I couldn't close in 40 pip, guys. I couldn't even close in 40 pip. I couldn't even close in 40 pip. My runners is still running. My other runners I had still running. It's in 120 pip right now. So this trade I closed at 60 pip actually. I closed at 60 pip. So guys, we had 2 for 2s, guys. We had 2 for 2s. We have 2 for 2s. We had 2 for 2s. I closed up everything. I have nothing running. Like I have no trade running at all. Like I have no trade running at all. This is good. 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 This is good, guys. This is good. This is good, guys. This is good, guys. If you make some money off this trade, W's, guys. W's. If you make some money. Hope this trading gets you, this stop any of you guys out. Hope this trading stop any of you guys out because it came very close. Like all I've done now, I would have looked at the 5 minutes and I probably have brought the stop loss like below this 5 minute low. But still, thank God, just thank God, like where I put it was still very safe. Like it was literally very close to stop me out. Like literally very close. Very close to stop me out. So that's it. That's a beautiful win, guys. 2 for 2 for today. We have 2 for 2 for today, guys. 2 for 2. 2 for 2, guys. 2 for 2. So this is the first. This is 2 for 2, guys. 2 for 2. 2 for 2, guys. 2 for 2. You just have to love trading, you just have to love trading. The fact that you can look at the chart, look at the whole analysis, and figure out what price you want to do, and actually wait for it to do what you need to do. And you profit off it. So it's crazy, man. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. So this is 2 for 2. It's 2 for 2, guys. 2 for 2. So this was the 2 trades I placed today, and both trades made sense. Like both trades made sense, and we made money off it. So this was it. 2 for 2, guys. 2 for 2. So I don't think there's any idea missed. I don't think there's any need of me staying longer in the chat. So let me just do a video for the gram. Let me do a video for the gram. Let me do a video for the gram. You can keep spamming W's. You can spam W's. Let's see. Where is my camera? W's, guys. 2 for 2. This is crazy. You guys can spam W. You can keep spam W on the chat. So, okay, guys, we just finished about running up the stream round. You can see all W's on the chart. This is a trade. I call out 2 different trades on gold. Let me come back to this place. Let me show you guys a bit. 1 second, guys. Just hold on. Let me show you guys the trades. So this is the first. This is the second one. You can see the other one that is still running, and I'm going to show you guys now. So it's basically 2 for 2. This one got 100 pip. This one went 70 pip. So this is it. But I closed off the second one in around 60 pip. You can see it. So 2 for 2, 2 for 2 W's, guys. More win for us. More win. See you guys same time tomorrow. We're streaming every day. 2 for 2. Bye. Man, what's the time to be a trader? What's the time to be a trader, man? What's the time to be a trader? Mind you, market condition is not always like this. You understand? It just happens to be that this time is looking like the market is actually very good. You get, but it's not always like this. So that's why we're seeing some money off the charts. You get me? It's not always like this. It's not always like this. So guys, this is where I will end the stream for today. Thank you all for tuning in. Thank you all for the love. Do give us a like, share to people, guys. I feel like this my channel is very underrated. Like it doesn't get the much love that it needs. That's why I feel like it doesn't get the much love it needs. Like underrated. More people need to see this, but more people to know that there's someone that sends out good trades. You get me? So please, you guys should just give us a like, leave a comment, share to your friends, man. Share to your friends that are interested in trading, thinking about trading. Just let them know that you're someone that's actually here doing his own thing, calling out trades for free. I don't give no financial advice, but I just do what I do. I call out what I see, and at the end of the day, it seems like it works for me, and I make some money. So that's basically all I have to say. So guys, let's do this same time tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow is going to be the last day I stream. I'm already good for the week already. I'm actually very good with what I've made so far this week. So guys, that'll be all. So see you guys same time tomorrow. Peace, love, and stay. Please don't go and over trade. Don't go and start trading after this stream. Yeah, I made a lot. I made money already. So just leave it like that. So see you guys when I see.